There are some questions from sitting students about this class. That how are you feeling to look this class, and do you realize that this class is precious? This is a part of conversation, and with the help of this type of class, we can develop our speaking skill also. So I would like to ask some question with sitting students. When I will ask the question, then please answer carefully that what is my question and how should you answer on my question. Okay? Should I ask?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you tell your name first. Deepak. No, not Deepak.
Chris.
Krish. Where is Mike? Chris, you tell something about this type of class. That is this class important for a learner?
First of all, when we as a becoming as a professional businessman, that time like this activity happen. How to deal someone. This type of
How to behave with someone.
how to behave with someone. So when we have idea about this thing, then you easily deal with someone. So according to me, sir, this type of class is too much important for you. And when we participate like this class, then first of all our hesitation remove and you learn lots of things. So I can say that, sir, that like this class is too much beneficial for us.
Okay, Sham, you tell about this class. That how are you feeling today in the class?
Thank you for giving me opportunity for asking questions, sir. Today I got a many things about humanity. Because sir, this type of class is very beneficial for every learner, and that's why I can say that this type of class is so much good for us. Because thrice are doing very well. I listen.
Guys have done very well.
Thrice have done very well. I listen carefully, and they have every question of answer.
They have
Answer every question.
They have
Have answer of every question very thoughtfully, sir. That's why I can say that this type of class is very beneficial.
Okay, Rishabh Kumar. Tell about this class. That is this class important for learner who are sitting over here, the students who are sitting over here, for the students. Is this type of class important for learning this language?
Of course, sir, this type of class is very important for beginners, sir. Because we are beginners, we don't know which type of situation come front of us and how can we deal with that situation. So, like that, things is very important. Suppose here, as thrice will come, thrice came, and they thrice went there, and they have delivered their opinion, and we listened, and we also asked some of the questions. That is a very good thing, sir, for us. As we went somewhere else, as there is happening like that programming, like that program, as there we can also do like that. So like that, things is very important for improving ourselves and for making us as a professional. And here we can learn a lot of things, sir. Means as how can we deal in front of someone, how should our manners in front of someone. So like that things we are learning from here, sir. And we will learn this language and we will be the best speaker of here.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Shikha, you stand and tell something about today's class. That today you have seen a different class, and some of the students came and spoke something, and you all have asked some of the questions one by one. Do you think that this class is very important for learning this language? This is a precious class for learners.
First of all, thank you, sir, for asking me this question. Really, this type of class is very beneficial because here we are coming here for learning this language, and here you provided different type of class. And firstly, if we get a chance for speaking, then by this type of class we can remove our hesitation. And we are studying for getting a good job. And if we get a job, in job we have a present anything in our office that presentation. So if we have this type of a skill, then we can present anything in front of anyone very easily. And for becoming a good speaker, we have a good listening skill. And for our better communication, we have this type of activity. Because in this type of activity, we can learn new type of vocabulary, word power, and many things we learn. And for now, we have learned about humility, that how much humility is important in our life. And for being a human, we have humility in ourselves. So by this type of activity, we can learn many things. And this is really beneficial for us, and this is very precious thing in our life.
Abhijit, you tell about today's class. It's Saturday today. You know better about Saturday, that every Saturday we take some different class. Tell about today's class, that are you getting something new over here? And do you think that this class is precious for learners?
Firstly, thank you for giving me this opportunity. And today class is very different for previous class, and this type of class is very important for beginners, because this type of class we get new thing. Today, guys are talk about humanity.
Guys,
Talked about humanity, that how should our humanity with before someone, and
How
maybe
should-
how should be our humanity. Maybe this type of situation come before in coming time, and how can we control this type of situation. So this type of class is very important.
Do you think that this language, means English language, is also an important language for us?
Yes, this language is very important for us, because this age is digital age, and in this age without English we are nothing, because in this age everything in English. You visit somewhere, then you look every banner poster in English. You don't look in other language. So I can say that this language is very important.
Okay, thank you. Srishti Gupta, tell about the class, that what is your thought about today's class? What is your thought about today's class? That really this class is precious. With the help of this class, every learner can learn this language with the help of this type of discussion and conversation.
Yes, according to me, this type of class is very important for every learner, because first I mean to say that they kept their thought good way, and they have answer of many questions is good way. So this type of class is very important, like this magical class. So with the help of this type of class, every learner get this language in quickly, because I also know that when I came here, that time I was not able to get this language. I was not able to talk with someone. I was not able to a single word also. But nowadays I am speaking a good way. So why? Because of this type of class. I am so happy because I look their performance and they kept their thought in a good way.
This day, which is being finished today, will not come tomorrow. Tomorrow, the day will be different. Tomorrow, the day will be different. And you know better about a quotation, that the time which passes never comes. That's why utilize the time. And when you sit in the class, no problem, you are not getting chance for speaking, but you are getting chance for listening. Beginning, I have said that listening is also very important for a learner. And you all are learners of this language. So you have listened carefully of all the speakers. You have seen the discussion and listened also. You have asked the question and got answer also. This is also very important for you all. When you get chance for sitting in these all type of classes, of course you sit and utilize. It is better for you all for learning this language. But today you have got chance to come in the class and sit here for listening something. Then you should avail the chance. That's why I was telling that listening is also very, very important. If you listen, then also you can gain a lot of things. If you listen, then you can get knowledge of speaking, to listen your seniors, to listen some of the speakers. You can get the knowledge of way of learning, way of talking, way of answering. This one is also very important, because you know better about some of the states. You are from Bihar, you stay at Motihari. If you go to West Bengal, then after some of the months, some of the sentences of Bengali you start to speak, to continue listen. Like this, a language is learned. A language is never learned with the help of remembering something, with the help of cramming something. Nothing you have to do. This is a language. Practically, you will have to make yourself like this, that you involve and listen someone. and some of the sentences, some of the words, you also speak with those till when you don't know how to speak. Like this, slowly you can come on whole language. And when you go to West Bengal and stay some of the months, then you start to speak some of the sentences. You start to speak, Kothay jacho dada tumi? Kothay jacho? You start to listen continuously. Someone asks with you, your neighbor asks with you, Kothay jacho dada tumi? Then slowly you start to understand that what will be the Hindi of Kothay jacho dada tumi? Bhai, tum kahan ja rahe ho? You start to understand, oh, this one, the Hindi of this one will be like this. Slowly you start to come on other sentence also. Then you start to speak also. Kothay jabo ami market theke jacchi. Ami market theke jacchi. How you have learned? With the help of listening. With the help of listening, you learn this one. You listen every day with someone that they are talking like this. Then slowly you absorb in your mind and start to translate in your mind that after all, what should be the Hindi of this sentence? What should be the Hindi of that sentence? And slowly you realize also that the Hindi of Kothay jacho is kahan ja rahe ho? The Hindi of Kothay jabo ami, main kahan jaunga? Slowly you start to understand also and start to speak also. Similarly, you have to learn this language. So try to listen first. पहले आप सुनने की कोशिश करिए. And slowly you command on the words, on the sentences also, that what someone is speaking with you, how someone is speaking with you. Like that, of course, one day you can learn this language. So I forbid always that never you cram and remember something to go your home. No word you have to remember to go your home. Here you come and continuously listen English language with your seniors and with me also. Then many of the words you start to know. Many of the sentences you start to know that after all, what will be the Hindi of this word, what will be the Hindi of that sentence. Like this, if you come continuously in the class and involve in the conversation, talk with the students, listen to the students, then you start to learn also and speak also. So I hope that in coming time, you will do in next class, when you come in the class for appearing, then of course you have to avail the chance, listen someone, talk with someone, no problem. What are you talking? If the sentence which you are speaking that is wrong, it doesn't matter. Let it be wrong. To do something wrong, you can do well. You can do perfect. So first, let it be wrong. No problem. Don't think a lot about that. That when I will correct my sentence, slowly you can correct your sentence also. So first you try to listen, and then you try to speak also. But for that you